In which country did cricket originate? What is the shape of a Ludo board? Which sport use a bow and arrow? Which game is known as the king of card games? The snakes and ladders game originated in which country? In billiard, what color is the 8-ball? Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups in football? In chess, which piece can move diagonally across the board? In carom, how many points is the queen worth? What is the duration of a standard football match? What is the term for a score of 0 in tennis? In which year was the first modern Olympic Games held? How many players are there in a standard volleyball team? In darts, what is the highest score you can achieve in a single throw? How many tiles are there in a standard Scrabble game? What is the maximum number of players in a double badminton game? How many squares are there on a chessboard? Which board game is also known as drafts? Which sport is referred to as ping pong? Which sport is famous for the Triple Crown?